Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into Discord, step by step, in a quick and simple way. If you've never signed in before, or you're just having trouble getting into your account, this guide will walk you through the whole process so you can get back into Discord without confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Discord login page. You can do that by typing discord.com/login into the address bar or by using the login link from Discord's official website. Once the page loads, you'll see the sign-in screen where Discord asks for your account details. Now here's the first thing you need to enter, your email address or phone number. Make sure you type the same email or phone number that you used when you created your Discord account. If you're using a shared device or you've logged in before, double check that the information is correct because even a small typo can stop the login from working. After that, move to the password field and enter your Discord password. Be careful with capitalization, numbers, and special characters because passwords are case sensitive. If you don't remember your password, you can use the Forgot Your Password option on the login screen to reset it before trying again. Once both fields are filled in, click the Login button. Discord will then verify your information and take you into your account if everything matches correctly. If your details are correct, you should land right inside Discord and be able to see your servers, messages, and friends list. If you run into any issues, take a moment to check whether your email, phone number, or password was entered correctly. It also helps to make sure you're on the real Discord login page and not a fake site. Staying on the official website is always the safest way to protect your account. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Discord. It really is that simple once you know where to go and what to enter. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy to follow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides, troubleshooting tips, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.